So let's get into it. Fairface launched in February 2018. You know, they sort of have this problem where they are businesses, and then business has people like consumers who write a review on them, but then consumers for whatever reasons aren't really motivated to do any of that. And it's about, like, according to them, it's about 10% of the reviewers that are sent, 10% of the customers that are sent to review are the only ones that actually get back to reviewing it. So what Fairface is trying to do is sort of bring in an incentive to sort of allow to increase that number from 10% to a sort of higher number, where consumers feel motivated to actually give a review on a particular businesses. Because normally, if you're trying to get into a good, you want to check everything you want about it. It'd be like, you want to ask people, you want to go online, check reviews about it, and if you can't find enough of that, you'll not be able to make, like, say, a better decision. But then the more people that have actually used that particular product or the service that the business provides, the more insight you have into, okay, what you're looking for, and does that match what you're looking for. So you can see the problems here. Less than 10% of customers respond to invitation and write reviews on the businesses. So review platforms are centralized. Customers search for reviews on different websites for taking it. Anyway, so let's get into the solution. They said our survey shows that customer engagement to write reviews will be more than 90% if we reward customers for sharing their experience. So like I said earlier, they're trying to take that number from less than 10% to up to 90%. So Fairface, powered by FAF tokens, will be soon implementing the first of its kind decentralized data-driven review network, building the trust by using validators. So let's get into it. Let's continue. So we've already covered what the basics are. They're powered by a decentralized network. So to make this possible, they are using this decentralized nature of the blockchain to sort of allow all this to be possible. So how it works: they send an invitation, the business send an invitation to the customers to write a review on their latest experience on service or product delivery. The customers write the review, they click on the invitation link, they create an account and write a review. Then customers will be credited with the FAF tokens once the review is being verified. Now, so as opposed to normal where you can just like take the FAF tokens and go sell it, you can actually redeem the tokens in two ways, which is you either sell it, you either transfer it to your personal wallet, or you sell it or do whatever you want with it, or you can convert, or you redeem the token with the particular business that you are reviewing on. So you'll be able to use that particular token, the FAF token, directly in under the business that you just reviewed. um so what do you got? So this is a diagram that's just depicting that, where the business sends invitations, the business sends the FAF rewards, publish rewards, improve customer base analytics and sort of stuff, and then it goes into the Fairface decentralized finance network, which they are powered by validators, DeFi review blockchain. They got their FAF tokens, and they have AI powered analytics. And then the customers write the reviews. Other customers are able to view the reviews, or other people are able to view the reviews, and in turn the customer gets rewards, which is usually in FAF, or they're allowed to redeem, which is in FAF mostly. And then they have two choices: to either transfer that to their personal wallet and do whatever they want with it, or they can redeem it in that same particular business that they that they just used. So I see these integrate reviews on other websites. So what that does mean is that they are planning to, websites where you normally find reviews, they are planning on what they call integrating with them, so you can actually find fair face reviews on there, such as Amazon, you got Apple, you got Google, you got Facebook, and just everyone that's listed below. We've talked about the value addition, the ecosystem. So they're already customers and businesses. So what they're planning to do is not trying to, like, start from scratch. So they want to try to, like, basically implement their their idea with the businesses that already exist. And according to them, there are 100,000 existing businesses, and if there are thousands, maybe if not millions of customers. Potential transaction volume based on their analysis says that FAF token, there will be about 10 million per month FAF token traded, be it through reviews and collection, or for whatever other purpose that the FAF token is going to be used for. The Fairface token is going to be released on the Binance Smart Chain network. The ticker is FAF, Fairface FAF. There's going to be 2 billion closed collections, and they're gonna have a phase one pre-sale and phase two pre-sale. I think according to them, the pre-sale A is going to be about 0.015 USDT. My pre-sale B average price is going to be about 0.03 USDT. Okay, like the phase two release of the coin is going to be through the listing on IEOs, launchpads, or centralized exchanges. So we got that covered. Allocation, sales restrictions. If you're going to transfer over 15,000 euros, then you've got to notify them prior to the execution of that. And there is no possibility to purchase token by VAT payers. I think that's value added taxes payers. So if you put, I think that is what it should be. If you have purchased units or two or try to, please contact us. Crowdfunding, FAF Global Marketing, and then to the team. You have the token allocation here, which is what we just said above. Okay, they will distribute the tokens through pre-sale, which is going to be 6%. We'll see the numbers down. IEO 4%, FAF Global 20%, which is going to be within the community. Reserve liquidity, exchange liquidity ecosystem, and the marketing of the FAF service that is trying to offer. The FAF team is going to have 20% locked for them. Community developers 10%, staking 5%, IDOs 10%, and farming 5%. Then you can, when you scroll down, you get to see the exact amounts of what those percentages of equate. For the 6% going to be 120 million, 80 million 4%, 100 million 5%, and see the end of where it gets to farming, which is 100 million 5%. Let's get into the roadmap. The roadmap start from February 18. Fairface review platform is going to be launched February 18 in the UK, Europe, and Asia. They're going to expect 100,000 businesses to get on board October 21. By December 21, the pre-sale by February 22, that's going to be the initial exchange offering. Token listing on exchanges March 22 expected dates. That can change, because exchanges have got. Also expect the token to launch on Fairface platform April 22. Staking launches April 22. So April 22 for the token launch on the Fairface platform and the staking. So June 22, Fairface review platform launches in other countries. So I guess when they launch in UK, Europe, and Asia, that'll sort of give them and they're able to like gauge how people are using their platform and how they expect other countries to sort of interact with it or react to it. Token farming launches November 22. Wow, the difference between the staking and the farming is a bit far, but okay. And they expect the transaction. So at first we said the transaction was 10 million per month. Now according to them, they expect that by December 22, they're going to be doing 100 million transactions per month. Pretty decent. Blockchain implementation January 22. You've got the legal disclaimer. You got to go through these things. They're usually very important, so you know what you get into. And currently they have an airdrop ongoing that you can sort of participate in. This is the Fairface website. You can just go down there, fairface.com. They've got an app for Play Store and Apple Store, and they've also got an airdrop going on. So you see, so you're going to distribute the airdrops for people that participate. I'm going to drop the link to participate in the airdrop below the video, so you guys can just like get in. Okay, that's it.